Found a 90 EA file for a Yamaha keyboard or workstation? This is a style file containing accompaniment patterns for Yamaha music instruments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Yamaha style files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any 9.0 EA file. Let's try the simple solutions first. 9.0 EA files are style files used by Yamaha electronic keyboards, synthesizers, and music workstations. They contain auto-accompaniment patterns, including drum tracks, bass lines, chord progressions, and instrumental arrangements that play along with melodies users perform on the keyboard, creating complete musical performances. 9.0 EA files use Yamaha's proprietary style format, storing MIDI data sequences with chord variation patterns, drum tracks, and instrumental arrangements organized into style sections like intro, main fill-in, and ending. The format includes Yamaha-specific control data for keyboard accompaniment systems. For reliable opening, Yamaha Style Editor by Yamaha offers the best solution for 9.0 EA. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can preview audio content, but full mixing or mastering requires professional tools. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your 9.0 EA file and select Open With. Use Yamaha Style Editor if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. When your 9.0 EA file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, loading on Yamaha keyboards. Transfer 90 EA files to compatible Yamaha keyboards via USB drive or direct connection. Place files in the keyboard's user style memory location through the File Management menu. The keyboard loads the style for selection during performance, providing accompaniment features for live playing or composition work. Next, editing with style software. Use Yamaha Style Editor or third-party tools like StyleMaker to edit 90 EA style files. These applications display the style components, allowing modification of patterns, instrumentation, and arrangements. Save edited styles back to 90 EA format for use on Yamaha keyboards with custom accompaniment patterns. Finally, converting style formats. Convert 90 EA files to formats compatible with other instruments or DAW software using utilities like Yamaha Style Converter. Conversion to standard MIDI files enables use in any MIDI-compatible application, though some Yamaha-specific features may not transfer to non-Yamaha environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.